I'm Philippe Chambon. I'm the CEO of EG427, which is a company that's focused on gene therapy for prevalent chronic disease of the nervous system. As a CEO, this is my first CEO job. I had a long career on the VC side in the US, where I was from doing VC investment in biotech from 95 to 2017. Then I came back to France and started in 2019 EG427. We are at the stage now where we have our first product, EG110A, in clinical development in the phase 1b/2a clinical trial in the US, and it's targeting a major unmet medical need for patients that have abnormal bladder behavior, in particular spinal cord injury patient, but as well as other disease of that nature. So we are. This is all based on non-replicative herpes vectors as a platform technology. We're making strong progress building this platform further. We have already dosed our initial patients in this phase 1b/2a, and so far so good. Why are we using non-replicative herpes vectors? They are fascinating tools, in fact, that have evolved through thousands of years in terms of their ability to live in the human body and to infect only cells in a very narrow basis. So they are a great agent for local treatment. They have a tropism for nervous cells, and the non-replicative one will only infect the cells that are in the vicinity of the point of injection. So we go there through retrograde transfer through the axon in the nucleus of the relevant neuron. What also makes those a unique vector is their large size, so we can put a lot of genetic material. We're at the stage where we can put, for example, 3 genes in one of our vectors. We can also get very differential expression pattern based on what type of promoter we use, where we insert them, and so on. So it's a tool that gives us a great amount of flexibility, which is quite different from AAV vectors. And it's also a tool, those type of vectors can also be produced very efficiently and cheaply, which is why it opens the door to really treating chronic disease of high prevalence in the nervous system. Being at this meeting is in fact for us a great opportunity to meet potential partners on the pharmaceutical/biotech side of things, but also meet the current people we're working with, a series of CROs, CDMOs, and so on, that are the necessary fabric for us to be able to develop our product efficiently. And also, we also have the opportunity to meet here with investors. We have completed a Series B financing in February. So here it's an opportunity for us to keep people up to date with our progress.